Holy shit!
Good job, Hank.
Oh, shit!
It's all meat bites. They're really not hitting spoons anymore. All right, let me just put these lines away. I will take a photo.
All right. Okay.
It's not going anywhere. That is a huge king.
All right. My arm is so tired right here.
Told you.
I never.
Right?
Dude, it's like I haven't caught a fish in 45 years.
That makes up for everyone getting gas, John.